Parcel. Polybook. So, let's open. Branded content. Tama ko. Pwede naman kung makapasya sa akong brand. So, alam nyo na, pag polybook, ano yan? Book.
Full.
Full. Book.
Ok.
So, alam nyo na, pag polybook, book talaga yan. So, ito lang naman yung order ng anak ko.
Na naman.
Oh! Wag,
The pain, the big happy.
this is a book. Maghimo kag library.
Yes.
Oh my God, what's this?
Marcus Aurelius.
This is Marcus Aurelius.
Ito, Roman Emperor.
Belong siya sa Collins Classics siya. Mga Collins Classics ni siya.
Edgar Allan Poe, my
So,
favorite.
Edgar Allan Poe, Tales of the Mystery. So, Collins Classics siya. Also this one, Collins Classic. Last time, Penguin to nga classic. Karon, Collins Classic. So, ito, book collection of my daughter. That's it. Thank you.